Okay, this is a full duel because hey, it's MajorDuncan. Oh no! Because Omega's been disconnecting and I can't save the replay when it disconnects. And I got the cam up right there. I could see myself, but it has the little bar up there, but whatever. Oh shit. TRI-BRIGADE. See, that's why. If I go online, hopefully it doesn't. Yeah. See, if it did that, I can't even save the replay. It's been disconnecting lately. At the moment it is August 28th. Am I still recording? Yeah. Red light's on. Palosa. Bodegaris. Oh, he's got what's it called too? Damn it. He's gonna get the revolt. There's the revolt. Damn it. I need a side in Ghost Spell and Artifact Lancia. Man, don't even know. If I activate this now, she's just gonna revolt. And is he gonna revolt right away? Could quick affect it too. He has a bunch. There's a 3 negate. Oh my god. No. I would've. Jesus. I think it's safe to do. So if I do that. Pocket. Red Eyes Fusion. Revolt. Alright. And then it's going to immediately can I negate that? He can negate it. Okay. Can I negate Shireg? Come on, let me negate him. What happens now? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, that's the shit. Oh, I can't negate it because he's just gonna link it off here. Oh man. What a waste. I should have probably chain linked. Spell and non-dimension. Chain link 7. Chain link 8. Oh, negated it. Okay. Whoa, what happened to my rarity here? What? Let's go back. Oh, I was like, what? Oh, because I did Dragoon, so I can't, oh wow. Dumigo. Sure. Was that optional? The heck is that? Oh, Dumigo. Access go Doka. That's game. Yeah, it's 8,000 right there. GG. GG. No! Oh. See, look, I can't save the replay when it does that. That's why I gotta do this full duel. It's gonna be a long one. Alright, well, do the usual for TRI-BRIGADE, and that's it. Come on. Out of the cards! Come on! Out of the cards. Come on, out of the cards! Go through! Go through! Yugioh Shogun! Donando. And draw face shotgun. Artifact Lancia. Yep. What's he gonna do? Oh, he's playing the... No. Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna go for the Zodiac. Fractal. Go ahead. This is a negate the revolt or negate the sure egg. What? Oh my god. No! Why? Monster Reborn. Damn it. That's some bull. Could always attack. Got that other, jeez. Battle. Gamma-Seal. The Sea Turtle Kaiju attack to face down. Kid's probably gonna get its effect again. No? Oh, it's still my turn. Main phase 2. Do I? No, I don't think so. I'm just gonna end my turn and just shotgun it again. Artifact Lancia. Oh no, Gamma. It's gonna negate it though. Can I double Artifact Lancia? What happens if I double it up? I don't know. Artifact Lancia. Did not negate it? What happened? Did it happen? Or what's going on? No. He would have used the TRI-BRIGADE banish effect if it did happen, so I have no idea. Really? What? It's not letting me. Oh, it's still his thing there. Wow. Oh, I got it back. Oh, dang. Omega is annoying. Do Omega. What's he targeting? A dark magician. You know what? Ghost spell. Thought it destroys. No, it just negates. God damn it. $53 access code. Oh, 54 if he summons one more. GG. GG. Oh! And then Shireg. See, this one I can't save because it didn't disconnect. If it disconnects, you can't save it replay. That's why I have to do this full video. Ouch! My life points. Where were we here? What? Let's check it out here. We were at 1484, so we went down by 10. 173, still at 173. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.